Yep. Yep. Get wrecked. Ooh. Yo, what? Okay, so hello guys, so we will be playing this custom map I created, and also this is the factions I downloaded. Okay, so this is the slow zombie, so let me, yep, so that's zombies and the minigun. Yep, I think there's rats. Yeah, and also this minigun, I also created this. Okay, so yep, instead of a gun, it's a freaking rock. Ooh, look at this. Yep, get wrecked. Yep, get wrecked. Yep. Hey. Ooh. Boom. Okay. Ooh. Bro, look at that. Yep, we're done. Else. Oh, okay. This. What? Oops. Oh, sorry. Oops, sorry. Oops, I'm so sorry. Okay. Yep. Okay. So what about 60? Okay. Yeah, that's right. Get wrecked. Okay. Ooh. Oh, look at this. Bam. Oh, look at this. Look at this guy. Ooh. Yo, what? Oh. Ooh. Ooh. What about this? No. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Yo. Yo. Ooh. Yo. Oh no. Okay, what the heck? Bro, what are you freaking shooting? This guy. Let's go. Yup. Yeah, let's go. Yep, that's right. Yep. Wait, I'm freaking blue, bro. I'm blue. Oh, frick. Bro, I forgot, I'm freaking blue. Okay, so let's go. Yep, that's right. Let's go. Oh, what? No. Okay, no. Okay, bro, I don't know what's going on. Okay. Oh, what the heck, bro? I'm freaking alive. Nope. Okay, no. Freaking losing. We're freaking losing, bro. We're losing. No. Nope. No. Low. Nope. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Win. Okay. Hey, what about this neon minigun? Okay. This. Yep. Ooh, get wrecked. Get wrecked. Yep. Let's wait. Okay. Bro, this. Come on, come on. Yep. Get this right. Oh, what the heck? You're freaking hiding, bro. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Oh, what? Yo! You freaking wrecked this freaking blue team. Yo. What the heck? Bro, this freaking boss. Oh no, they're coming with you. They are coming with you. Oh frick. What the heck? Bro, let's freaking end this. Nope. Oh! Okay, let's go. No, no, no. Okay. About this. No! Oh. Bro. How were the suppose? What the heck? This is freaking cheating, bro. This is cheating. Yep. Yeah, that's right. What the heck? Bro, get out of me. Okay. No. What the heck? Bro, I'm pointing to this direction. You should. What the hell? Bro, you're freaking stuck. Freaking stuck. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What the heck? Okay. No, 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 no. No. Oh. What about this? No. Oh. Let's go, let's go. Bro, you can't get out? Okay, so we'll pick another. This. Yep, yep. Frick. What about this? Okay, let's go, let's go. Bro, make sure you have an ammo, bro. Yep. 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 Yo, what the heck, bro? What? Where are you shooting, bro? Bro, this. Nope. Okay. Yep. Bro, I'm not even shooting, bro. Chill. Chill. Bro, chill. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Look at that. Sideways shooting. Okay. What about these zombies? Okay, this is slow zombies. Okay. And AK-47. Okay, let's go. Let's go, boys. Let's kill these zombies. Oh. Yeah. They are coming with us. Fire! Fire! Bro, reload, reload. I'm reloading, I'm reloading. Yep, fire. Fire, fire, fire. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. No. Okay. No, 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 no. Okay. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Nope. Nope. Yep. No, 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 no. Okay, let's go, boys. No. No, I don't have a freaking ammo, okay? This, yeah, take this! Take this! Yep. Yeah. Oh, no, 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 no. No, there's freaking zombies. Yep. Oh. Yes. What are you doing? Freaking stuff. You freaking stuff. Who the frick shoot me? Okay. No! You freaking shoot me. Bro. I will kill you if you shoot me again. Okay. What the heck, bro? They freaking take revenge. Okay. Okay. Yup. Yup. Yeah, you're dead now. Okay. Hello. Hello. Yup. Yup. Yep, you're dead. What? Where? Okay. Let me follow you. Okay. Okay, these freaking zombies, bro. Oh. Alright. Okay. Okay, so what about M16 versus AK-47? Okay, let's go. Let's go. Yep. Okay. No. Reload, bro. Reload. No, I don't have any ammo. Nope. No. Okay. I'm losing, bro. No. Nope. Bro, okay, so let me choose again. What about this? No. I wanna die. Oh, frick. Okay. We'll lose. What about this musketeer? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Musketeer. Bam. Yep. Yep. Yeah, fire! Yep, that's right. Okay. And this beam. Okay. Yep. Yep. Okay. Look at this. Bro, it wiped out the entire team. Yo, what the heck? Okay. Okay, so let's see. Boom! Bro. No! Okay. Bro, this is a freaking team up. Oh no. Oh no. Who's gonna shoot first? Who's gonna shoot first? Ooh. What? Ooh. What? Ooh. What? Ooh. Yep. What the heck? Okay. Come on, come on. Oh no. Oh no. It's gonna shoot first. Hmm. Okay. Let's go. Oh no. Yup. You're dead now. You're dead now. Ooh. Triple kill. Oh, what? Bro, this is the freaking hell. Okay. What the heck? What? Yo, what? Okay. Bro, defeated red team. Oh, freaking drowned. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. So thank you for watching. And what else? Units. Suggest any units I can combine, I can fight, and suggest any map, like some sort, And see you in my next video. Goodbye.